Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Ready? 60 word per minute. Start. In the case of public sector undertakings, there should be no objection to a similar procedure being adopted in the case of employees of autonomous bodies which are under the administrative control of the various ministries in the matter of issue of certificates of eligibility in the case of employees of the respective organizations to ensure that the appointment of candidate in respect of whom the certificates of eligibility is a prior requirement in terms of the government resolution referred to above is not delayed. Steps should be taken by the appointing authorities to ensure the completion of verification of character and antecedents within the time prescribed in future, while making a reference to the district authorities. It should be specifically indicated that the nationality of the candidate is also to be verified. I am, therefore, to request you to ensure that these instructions should be compiled with, and the government need not have to remind the departmental authorities on the subject again and again. These instructions and policy of the government may also be brought to the notice of subordinate officers for guidance. The receipt of this letter may please be acknowledged.